When you're considering property management software, RentLogic is one of the top names that comes up. But before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're a property manager or owner, RentLogic promises efficiency, but how does it stack up against its competitors? First thing, RentLogic's user interface is clean and intuitive. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even for those not tech-savvy. However, while it offers ease of use, it can sometimes feel a bit too basic compared to other property management tools that offer more advanced features right out of the box. Next thing, RentLogic provides extensive reporting features. You can track income, expenses, and tenant data. But one thing to keep in mind is that the depth of these reports may not be as detailed as competitors like AppFolio or Buildium. If you're looking for more granular financial insights, those might offer a better solution. The third thing, the integration with third-party software. RentLogic allows some integration, but it's not as seamless as the integrations offered by competitors. If you're already using accounting software or other tools, you may face some limitations in connecting those with RentLogic. The fourth thing, RentLogic has a strong reputation for customer support. They offer 24/7 assistance, which is a plus when compared to some competitors that may have more limited hours. But the wait times can sometimes be long, which is a downside, especially when urgent issues arise. Next thing, one area RentLogic shines in is tenant communication. It has built-in features for easy messaging and alerts, reducing the back and forth between property managers and tenants. However, some competing software solutions offer more sophisticated automation and communication tools that can help improve overall tenant satisfaction. The sixth thing, RentLogic's mobile app is user-friendly, allowing you to manage your properties on the go. But in terms of speed and functionality, some competitors offer faster apps with more features and better user experiences. The seventh thing, pricing. RentLogic's pricing is fairly competitive, but when you compare it with other property management software, some competitors provide more flexible pricing options that could cater better to smaller portfolios or larger operations. The eighth thing, if you're managing a larger portfolio, RentLogic may require additional add-ons to unlock features that other software includes in their base packages. This can make RentLogic a bit less appealing if you need scalability without extra costs. Next thing, RentLogic's online payment processing is secure and simple, but there are limits in customization. If you want to offer your tenants more tailored payment options or specific invoicing features, competitors may have the edge here with more customizable payment settings. The 10th thing, the leasing tools offered by RentLogic are efficient, allowing tenants to submit applications and sign leases digitally. But it's worth noting that competitors like Tenant Cloud have more robust leasing management features, including the ability to track lease renewals and renegotiations more easily. The 11th thing, when it comes to maintenance tracking, RentLogic offers a decent solution, but it's a bit more basic than some of its competitors. If you're running a large property, maintenance tracking might feel a bit tedious without more advanced functionality. The 12th and final thing, overall, RentLogic is a solid choice for smaller property management needs. It excels in basic features and affordability, but if you're running a larger operation or need more advanced features right out of the box, you might find other platforms like AppFolio or Buildium more beneficial. In conclusion, RentLogic is a great option for those just starting out or managing a smaller portfolio, but if you're looking for a more robust and scalable solution, we recommend checking out our preferred property management software that you can try for free today.